Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get into boot menu Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to get into boot menu Windows 11 from settings. To start, click on Start and select Settings. After, in the System, select Recovery. Now in Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Confirm by clicking Restart Now. The system will reboot in this advanced mode. After that, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. In this section, you are going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to enter this mode. You can restart the system to enter normal mode. Chapter 2. How to get into boot menu Windows 11 from system repair. To begin, restart the system from the shutdown button. During this, you need reboot the system 3 times for automatic repair to activate. You can see that this will diagnose the PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After, you will see that the task cannot be performed. You will click on Advanced Options. Now click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. Click on Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. After this, you can restart the system to use Windows normally. Chapter 3. How to get into boot menu Windows 11 from Restart button. To begin, click on the shutdown button, use the Shift key, and click on Restart. This will cause the system to be rebooted in advanced mode. When you access, click on Troubleshoot, then after on Advanced Options, and next on Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. You will wait for the safe mode to load. After this, you can see the safe mode and reboot the system to enter normal Windows mode. Chapter 4. How to get into boot menu Windows 11 from lock screen. To start, in the lock screen, tap the Power Off button. With the Shift key pressed, click Restart. You can see that Windows will start in advanced mode. After, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. After, you're going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to access this safe mode. Now it's possible that you can reboot the system to enter normal mode of Windows. Chapter 5. How to get into boot menu Windows 11 from ISO image. For this, you must have the Windows ISO image, which you can download from the link that we leave you in the video. When you turn on the device with the ISO connected, you will click Next. After that, click on Repair your computer. After this, click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options, finally on Startup Settings. Click on Restart, and when system reboot, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. Wait for the safe mode to load. To return to normal mode of the system, you are going to restart the computer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.